my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you.
Alright, hello friends, welcome back to another video. I have posted a lot about the garden and just like how peaceful and tranquil and exciting that it is to like be starting one and growing one and all that. What I haven't been showing is the chaos that comes whenever you're gardening with a toddler. Because I'm gardening with my toddler, and you know, I'm kind of showing her that if you plant strawberries and you water them and you fertilize them, then strawberries will grow and cool and all that. Which is great, and she's sort of getting it, maybe. But I planted, I don't know if you can see them, those herbs back there, and bell peppers. And regardless, I planted those with her last weekend, and I just put up the camera and I pressed play or record, whatever. And this is what we got. I'm just gonna let it play because it's very funny. It's just 5-6 minutes maybe of just. Come back over. Good job. So big. Thank you. Oh, good job. It's okay. Is there one more? Nope, all done. Good job. Alright, come here. What? Are you all dirty? Here, yeah, we'll wipe you off with the hose, okay? Alright, now what we gotta do. Hey, Char, look. Look. Dig a hole. Dig a hole. Thank you. And look. You're all done? Yeah. Okay. You did good work. Good work, honey. You did great. You did so good. Yeah, you want to go back and finish watching The Lion King? Okay. You found a rock? Looky there. Alright. Oregano is planted. Look, this is going to be bell peppers. Okay. Good job, Dale. You are helping out so much. Ah, where are you going? You need to wipe your hands off. Right here, we pick up Mommy's thing. Okay. Did you knock down Mommy's camera? You goober. We'll check and see if you broke it. If you did, Mommy will not be happy, but it's okay. Things happen. Mommy getting away. Got it? How are your legs? Yeah, you need your legs wiped off? Alright, good job. Alright. Yeah, you got your feet. Alright, let's go inside. Good job, kiddo. Good work. Yeah. Oh, wait, turn it up. Hey, don't do that, please. Thank you. Mommy, lift it up. Good job. Alright, here, wait, we gotta get all the water out of the hose. Did it hit ya? No? Yeah? No. Alright. We'll go clean all that off later. Maybe once you go to bed, right? Okay. All the water's out of the hose. Yeah. You want more water? My goodness.